Yeah, hello friends. So welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be going to have a look at an beer call spreads adjustment strategies. Okay. So if you're watching our channel for the first time, then I would request you to watch our previous videos. So where we have uploaded multiple option strategies and positional trading and swing trades and intraday strategies as well. Okay. So this is a continuation of our option trading strategy series, and now we are looking at the beer call spreads adjustments. Okay, so this is my Twitter ID, friend. So also I'll be posting our Twitter ID and Telegram channels link in the description as well. So I request you to join our channel so that you will get some technical charts which we used to post in our channel on regular basis. Okay. So there is a disclaimer, friends. So the this video is only for an educational purpose and not any recommendations to do trade on either futures or options. Okay. So bear call spreads adjustment. So in option trading, once we enter, we need to do some adjustments at some time so that we can increase our profit potential and also we can reduce our losses as well. Okay. So in bear call spread, if stock starts moving up, then our position will give us a loss. We can do some adjustments so that we can reduce our losses to a certain level. So if stock moved down, then trader can book profit and come out of the trade. Okay, or else even we can do some changes, some simple adjustments to get some more profits. Okay, bear call spreads payoff graph. So this is an bear call spreads payoff graph of HDFC Bank for the current month, and in this trade we have sold HDFC Bank's HDFC Bank is trading at the level of 1106.1565. So I bought 1120 OTM call option at 29.80 and sold 1100 in the money call at 39.90 of July expiry. Okay, so here you can see that this is having a limited profit and limited loss. So even we can minimize our this limited loss as well. Okay, so let's have a look into that adjustments. So if the price moves up, okay, so if the stock moved up above our long option strike price and stock have broke its recent resistance level, then let's assume that it's turning the bullish as it's broke its resistance level. Okay, so in this situation, you can close your short call option with a profit. As stock tends to move up, your short call will be in the some profits, right? So we should close that short call option and sell one OTM call option above your long call options to convert your bear call spread into one bull call spread. Okay, so this is an example, friend. So this is our initial strategy. So we have bought 1120 call option and we have sold 1100 call option, right? So our current position after doing our adjustment is, so there is no change on our buy option and we have closed our 1100 call option which have shorted with some profit, and we'll be selling the further OTM call option at the strike price of 1140. Okay, so initially this is an bear call spread, and since the stock has been turned bullish, so we have booked some profit and we have converted this strategy into an bull call spread. Okay, so this is an adjustment to when the price moves up. If you think that stocks have turned extremely bullish, then without doing any changes to our initial setup, buy one OTM call higher than your long call options. Okay, and if stock tends to move higher, then you'll get more profit as you have converted your position from bear call spread to short call ladder. Okay, so this is the positional example. So this is our initial position, which is 1120 call option buy and 1100 call option sell. So we are not going to do any changes, and since the stock has been turned bullish, what we are going to do is we are going to buy 1140 call option. Okay, so in this case, if stock tends to move higher, we'll be getting more unlimited profit as we are having one naked vanilla call options on the upside, right? So this two options will cover each losses, and this will give us the extra profit. So if stock is moving higher above this 1140 level. Okay, so in this case, if the stock reverses and moves on downside, we will get some minimum profit as we have spent some money to buy this call option. Okay, so initial whatever the credit which we have bought in this which is whatever the credit we have get from this bear call spread, we are going to spend that to buy this 1140 call option. So if the stock reverses, we'll get some minimum profit but if the stock is keep on moving higher, then we'll get the very huge profit. Okay, so this is the adjustment 2. And the adjustment 3 is, once the stock have moved up, still you think that the price may reverse and move down, then keep your existing position as it is and create one put spread by selling the put strike near to your sold call option and buy one lower strike put option. Okay, so this, in this way you are converting your bear call spread into an iron counter strategy. Okay, so if you are newcomer to an option, and if you have no idea about iron counter, we can look into it in the future videos. So right now you assume that, so we are doing some adjustments and we are converting our bear call spread into an iron counter strategy. So in this way, now our loss will be reduced even if the stock moves further up. Okay, so as we have collected some premium from the put spread, whatever put credit spread, so we have collected some more points as a premium. So we'll get only limited loss. So even let's assume in this strategy we are having the loss of 10 rupees. So by using this, we might reduce our loss to 5 more points. So instead of having a 10 rupees as a loss, we might reduce our loss into 5 rupees, okay, per share. So this is an example. So this is our initial setup. So we are not going to do any changes. And we are keeping it as it is, and what we are going to do is we are going to sell 1100 put option, and we are going to buy 1080 put option to hedge this one. Okay, so in this case our payoff graph will get it will be in the profit if the stock tends to trade between the ranges. Okay, if the stock is closing below certain level on the downside, then we'll also get some losses, but again this will be very limited loss than comparatively to the initial losses which you have in the bear call spreads. So adjustment number 4 is, as it's a credit spread, if it moves below our sold call option, trader will get the maximum profit, right? So since this is a bearish view strategy, so if the stock moves below, then we'll be getting the profit. So either trader can book a profit and move out of the trade, or can do some adjustments to get extra profit. So simple adjustment is close your sold call option by booking profit and sell lower strike price call to get more credit. So if stock reverse and move up, we might not lose much as we have booked the profit already from closing the short and earn extra if it still moves down. Okay, so here this is the new strategy. So what we are going to do is we have shorted this 1100 call. So we are going to close this if the stock moved below this 1100. Okay, so by closing this, we'll be getting some profit from, we are booking some profit from 1100, and we are going to sell 1080 call option, assuming that the stock is going to move further down, so that we can collect some more credit from this as well. So if the stock is started moving upside, then we are not going to lose anything, as we have booked some profit in this 1100 call option. So whatever the loss which this 1080 gives us, we are going to compensate with the 1100 call option. Okay, which is the profit which we booked earlier. So this is a simple adjustment, friends. Hope you guys have liked this video. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. Also please like and share this video with your friends as well, so that they can also get some idea about how to do the option adjustments and all. So thanks for watching, friends.